Chapter 11 The Proposal. This is a one act play written by Anton Chekhov. Actually, in this play, we will see that the proposal regarding the marriage and the marriage ceremony, how it's going on. Just we will be see in this chapter. Here are three major characters. One is Stepan Chubukov, a landowner. Second character, Natalya Stepanovna, his daughter, 25 years old. Then third character is Ivan Lomov, a neighbor of Chibukov, a large and hearty but a very suspicious landowner. Here, this is a one act play. This play starts a drawing room in Chibukov's house. Lemony entered wearing a dress, jacket, and white clothes. Then Chibukov arrives to meet him. In the first character, Chibukov said, "My dear fellow, whom do I see? I want a vessel which I am extremely glad." In bracket, the squeeze his hand, bracket complete. Now this is a surprise, my darling. How are you? Chubukon enter in that the house. That time he is very excited and very glad, and he was very surprised. And that time he told, "How are you?" Then Lemon, thank you. And how may you be getting on? He asked. That is the explanation regarding that the lemon say thank how many you be getting on because we just get along somehow my angle. Thank you, your prayer, and so on. Sit down, please. Do now. You know you shouldn't forget all about your neighbors. My darling, my dear fellow, why are you so formal in your get up? Evening dresses, then gloves, and so on. Can you be going anywhere? My treasure. Chubukon inquired about it. Why you coming neat dresses? Why you wear that the night dress like that the clothes, then the evening dress, then it is a formal get up. Why you did it? He asked to Lem. Lemon answered to Chubukon, and Lemon said, "No, I have come only to see you, honored Stepanovich." Then Chibukon said, "Then why are you in evening dress, my precious, as if you are paying a New Year Eve visit?" Then Chibukon asked to him, "You want to go anywhere for that the evening parties, New Year?" Then Lemon said, "Well, you see, it's like this." In bracket, take his arm. On that time, he just take in arm. "I have come to you, honored Stepanovich, to trouble you with a request. Not once or twice have I already have had a privilege of the playing to you for help, and you have always, so to speak, I must ask your pardon. I am getting excited. I shall drink some water. Honored Stepcons. Now Lema and give the answer of that the Chibukons, and that time he told him, "I want to visit to you. I want to meet to you. That's why I came here for that the ready costume, and then just only and only you will help me. That only one person to get the help from your side. Then just I shall to drink some water, and that hold on. Then after I will be tell to you now." And then he drank that some water, and now he is ready to explain once again. Then Chibuko said with a side, he says, "Come to borrow money, shan't give him any." Aloud, "What is it, my beauty?" Just book on think about it. If you want to some borrow money, then I not be give to you. Then any aloud, "What he is it, my beauty?" He said like this. Lemov said, "You see, honored Stepanich, I beg pardon, Stepan Honorich, I mean, I am awfully excited as you will please notice. In short, you alone can help me, though I don't deserve it, of course, and haven't any right to count on your assistance. Now, Lemons is very excited here. He began to beg to pardon Stephen, and with the honor rich, I mean, I'm fully excited, and he's very excited to propose. Then we please notice, in short, alone can I help me. You only help to me, those I don't have a deserve it. Of course, you haven't any right to count on your the assistance. Then Chubukon said, "Oh, don't go round and round it, darling." Then Chibukon said, "Don't go round and round. Whatever you want to say, say." Then the out well. Then Lemo said, "One moment, this very minute. The fact is, I have come to ask the hand of your daughter." Then Natalia and Stepanos in a marriage. Then Lemos at last he gave to propose. Chubuko said joyfully, "By no, I won't." A vessel which say it's again. I didn't hear it all. What you say? With a joyfully he say, "Here, I can't hear. Just you say 1 second." Lemo, I have to honor to ask. Then Chibukon interpreting, "My dear fellow, I am so glad," and so on. Yes, indeed, and all that short of it. He was very glad, and whatever he want to propose it from that the lemon, then that the Chibuk was very happy. Then in bracket, embrace the kisses lemons. He just kiss of the lemon, and I have been hoping for it for a long time. I hope that you are just I waiting for the long time for this moment. It's be my continual desire. Then in bracket the said sign tears, I and I have always love you, my angels. Then he said, I always to love you. Then with the coming tears from that the eyes, I, as if you were my own son. God give you both his help and his love, and so on. Then he gave the bless to both. Then so much hope that what am I be having in this atomic ways, for I am off my balance with the joy, absolutely off my balance. With that the joy he lost his balance, and oh, with my soul I shall go and call to Natasha, and all that. The lemon say, greatly moved and honored a Stephen. Then Stepanos, do you think I may count on her consult? This is a very moment, a happy, joyful moment is going between both lemons and the chibukons. That is, chibukons is very happy with that the lemons proposal. Then he is very excited, and that's why he lost his the balance. He's very happy. Chubukon said, "Why, of course, my darling." And as if she won't consent, she's in love. It and she's like a lovesick cat, and so on. Shan't be long exist. Then Chubukon say, "Why, of course, my darling." And if she won't consist and she is in love and engaged, then she like a lovesick cat, then is his exit.